Do you want to know how to change phone number on Binance? Well, in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here first into our three lines. Now from there, you can see all of these things. So we have in here our settings, but you can also find in here the option for your actual profile. So on some cases, your profile will not show up anymore because you have already signed in and verified. So you can either just click onto the settings and change up the few things we have right here. You can also clear the cache and relaunch. For this one, let's head over and then just try to relaunch our Binance. And once there, you can head over and then click onto these things right here. We have in here these options. You have in here the Binance Pay, as well as some other options that we can see right here. So you can either send, top up, and the likes. And for the settings, stick onto the settings right here until you find the actual settings for the phone number.